Today I'll be presenting Hitler being appointed Chancellor of Germany. Background information. A Chancellor is a senior state or legal official. Adolf Hitler was appointed Chancellor of Germany on January 30th, 1933. He was appointed by President Paul von Hindenburg. Paul von Hindenburg initially refused to make him Chancellor, so instead he appointed General Kurt von Schleicher. Who was President Paul von Hindenburg? Paul von Hindenburg was the President of Germany and a German World War I military commander. He fought in the Austro-Prussian War along with the Franco-German War. He retired in 1911. He ended up getting called back to serve in 1914 with General Erich Ludendorff. He died shortly after awarding Hitler as German Chancellor. Why did Paul von Hindenburg appoint Hitler Chancellor? Hindenburg did not want to make Hitler Chancellor at first because of all of his thuggish nature. Ex-Chancellor Franz von Papen supported Hitler and was able to convince Hindenburg to appoint him Chancellor. The one requirement with this deal was that von Papen would be Vice-Chancellor and other non-Nazi officials would be in other key roles. Why appointing Hitler was a bad idea. They thought having von Papen as Vice-Chancellor would help against Hitler's bad tendencies, but they were wrong. Hitler began immediately putting Hermann Göring in charge of a new security force and expanded the state police, the Gestapo, and put Hermann Göring in charge of a new security force. From that moment on, it was Nazi Germany. And here's my works cited.